आऊज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। बच्चों आज क्या करें एक्सरसाइज नंबर 13.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर ऑफ हाइट 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Height of cylinder is worth height of cylinder H is equal to 14 centimeter. Let the radius of cylinder of base of cylinder be r centimeter. Therefore, curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. Curved surface area of cylinder is बराबर 2 pi r h. But curved surface area of cylinder right circular cylinder is equal to 88 centimeter square. Therefore, 2 pi r h, or which implies 2 pi r h is equal to 88, or 2 into 22 by 7 into r into h 14 centimeter is equal to 88, or r radius of cylinder is equal to 88 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 14. 22 1 हजार 22 4 हजार 7 1 हजार 7 2 हजार 2 1 हजार 1 centimeter. Radius of cylinder draw is बराबर 1 centimeter. Thus diameter of base of cylinder is equal to twice r, is equal to 2 into 1, which is equal to 2 centimeter. Diameter of base of right circular cylinder is equal to 2 centimeter.